A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server. This keeps your browsing private and can allow you to access websites blocked by your ISP. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using NordVPN, one of the fastest and most trusted VPNs available. You can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted price. First, open your web browser and go to the NordVPN website using the link below this video. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Once you've created your account, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers if you want to protect your entire home network. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app and log in with the account you just created. You'll see a map interface and a list of servers. Each server represents a secure location you can connect to. To stop throttling, connect to any server close to your actual location for the best speed. Once connected, all your internet traffic will be encrypted and hidden from your ISP. They'll only see that you're connected to a VPN, not what you're doing online. Once connected, open your browser and visit the website that was blocked by your ISP. In most cases, it should now load normally. If it doesn't, try switching servers or refreshing the page. Remember to use this responsibly. Do not access illegal content and always respect local laws and ISP regulations. A VPN should be used for privacy, security, and legitimate browsing. So that's how you can unblock websites blocked by your internet provider, step by step, safely and legally. Protect your privacy, stay secure on shared networks, and always follow the rules. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're watching this on a TV or iPad, you can also scan the QR code on screen to get started.